That's amazing. That is amazing, really. Whoa. Right, today we're making a chicken shawarma tortilla thingy-me-thing bob. So what we got is some lovely chicken in there, some lovely spices, just a lovely little toasted sandwich, shawarma-esque. So what I've got there is some chicken thighs, no skin, a little bit of fat on there, no bone. I've got 750 grams, so there's actually 8 pieces there. What we're going to do is give it a simple seasoning. So I've got here allspice or pimento, 1 teaspoon. These are all 1 teaspoon. Let's take a look. Salt, pepper, paprika, cumin, and coriander. Now some people would put a little bit of turmeric in there, some chili, cardamom. You can really play around with it. Little bit, couple of tablespoons lemon juice, 1/4 cup olive oil. Again, some people would put in garlic powder in here. This is the mixture that I'm using. Need to give that a little mix. So I've got a dry skillet there. The heat is on high. I've just put it on. You want it fairly high. We're going to drop in our seasoned chicken. And yeah, I think the thigh meat, chicken thighs, are much better than breast. You can use breast if you want, but I think thigh is the way to go. But about 6 or 7 minutes, high heat. We're going to be throwing these around. That's it, job done. Okay, they're looking beautiful. So off goes the heat. We're going to take them out. And you want all of the juices, any of the burnt bits, everything out of this pan. You've got some lovely flavors in here. Don't waste that. So what I've done with the chicken there is I've cut it really nice and thin, as you can see. Really thin strips like that. Super juicy, super, super delicious. Let's move on. So any bread works really. I'm using a tortilla wrap. You can use kubus or you could use some other type of bread, entirely up to you. This is about 10 inches. It's about a 10 incher, I think. We're going to start to get some of our beautiful chicken laid in the center there. And we're going to be fairly generous. We're now going to add a few French fries. A little bit of chopped onion. Love that in there. Same with tomato. Just a small amount. Some pickle. Thinly sliced. Here I've got some mayo, a lemon mayo, so I just got some mayonnaise and put some lemon in there. If you want, you could make a garlic one, get more of a garlic sauce. Got some cheese here. You can use mozzarella, you can use cheddar, entirely up to you. And here we've got tahina or tahini, sesame paste. I'm a big fan of this, big fan, as you can see. A little bit of hot sauce. I'm using Tabasco. My God. Roll it in, try and get it quite tight. And then we're going to place this into a press grill. You know, like a George Foreman type. This is not a George Foreman, but you know what I mean. Nice and hot, about 3 or 4 minutes. Fab. All right, let's jump in, have a look. Oh yeah, that is perfect. Look at that, everything about that is fabulous, I think. Oh yeah, I'm gonna tuck right into that. What a treat. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.